The Philippine Nuclear Research Institute advocates for use nuclear energy to mitigate power shortages. This and more stories in tonight's Business News Wrap-Up by Denise Osorio.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has inked Executive Order No. 59, which would support in enhancing the nation's infrastructure sector. According to NEDA Secretary Sentro Balita, EO 59 would expedite the implementation of the infrastructure flagship projects or IFPs of the current administration by making it easier and more attractive for the private sector to invest in. The current IFP list consists of 185 projects valued at 9.14 trillion pesos. Balita emphasized this would also boost employment opportunities, which would aid in the country's economic expansion. Despite the recently experienced rotational power disruptions due to the failure of power plants in some parts of the country last month, regulated brownouts may occur again due to the lack of power supply. According to Director Carlo Arcilia of the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute, energy mixing or using nuclear energy could help mitigate energy shortage. Nuclear energy will be a great help in the country to avoid power overloading, especially during the summer season. Although initially expensive to build, it will be significantly more affordable through the years, which would reflect on the quality of life of those who depend on it. The Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, earlier today reminded the public that all local and imported vape products will be mandated to display Internal Revenue stamps starting June 1 of this year. BIR Commissioner Romeo Lumagi Jr. added the stamps will ensure proper taxation in the vape industry and stressed that failure to pay correct taxes may result in criminal charges. Internal Revenue stamps can be ordered starting tomorrow, May 8, 2024. Denise Osorio from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.